الصلاة والسلام عليك يا سيدي يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وصحابك يا سيدي يا حبيب الله. The question for today that has been asked of me is that it is recorded in the blessed Hadith Sharif of the noble messenger, the honorable messenger, the most dignified prophet of Islam, the seal of prophethood, the seal of apostleship, a beacon of hope, a paragon of virtue, forgiveness and tolerance, an expression of mercy, an expression of love, an embodiment of love, the holy prophet, the warmer of hearts, the coolness to eyes, the beloved of Allah, the beloved of all, the holy prophet, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that fasting is a shield. So now what does this phrase fasting is a shield mean? Now it is recorded in the blessed Ibn Majah Sharif and in Tirmizi Sharif that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stated, other than fasting, every other good deed of a person is increased from 10 to 700. So the deeds of a person are significantly multiplied in this blessed month and in the sacred month of Ramadan. Now this gives rise to a question that why everything else other than a fast? So the hadith of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is that other than fasting, every other good deed of a person is increased from 10 to 700. So now this gives rise to a question as highlighted by my father, my mentor, my guide, my axis, my spiritual axis, my Piro Murshid, my Shaykh Tariqat, Sayyidi Shaykh Muhammad Mohsin Yusufi. He states that this instance, this hadith also leads one to contemplate as to why everything else other than a fast. Now the reason he states is that Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala states that fasting is for me and I alone will reward for it. So that is why fasting alone is for me and I alone will reward for it. Now we offer prayers. People can see us. We offer Hajj. That can be seen as well. But no one can truly learn whether you've kept a fast or not. So that is why Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala states, fast is for me and I alone shall reward for it. So therefore, the hadith of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, we now understand the reasoning behind it. That the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stated that other than fasting, every other good deed of a person is increased from 10 to 700. And as per another narration, it is another hadith of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, that the noble messenger, peace be upon him, stated that when the 29th night of Ramadan arrives, the number of people who are blessed with salvation from hell the entire Ramadan, that much people are freed from hell only on that particular 29th night of Ramadan. How big a blessing that is. Indeed, these blessings are because of none other than the noble messenger, the warmer of hearts, the coolness to eyes, the holy prophet, the noble messenger, the holy prophet, peace be upon him. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu states that the holy prophet, peace be upon him, is reported to have stated that the person who for the sake of Allah kept a fast of one day, Allah Ta'ala will distance him from hell as much as a baby crow. When it was a baby, it started to fly and then it flew its entire life, such that the baby crow turned old. He still kept on flying, such that the baby crow which turned into a crow and which went really old, it died. So the distance that the crow flew his entire life, Allah Ta'ala will distance him from hell that much. Hence, the blessed hadith of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, that fasting is a shield. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.